Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in the world of products. Today, we have something truly special for all you Halloween enthusiasts, cosplay fans, and anyone who loves a good costume. The Nicky Novelties Adult Deluxe Scarecrow Costume Kit. If you've been on the hunt for the perfect Scarecrow look, this is hands down the best Scarecrow kit you'll find. Now, let's dive right in. This costume kit includes everything you need to become the ultimate Scarecrow. It comes with a high-quality, brown felt hat that fits most adults, with a 22¼ inch circumference. The hat stands 11 inches tall and features a natural brown rope at the base, giving it that authentic, rustic look. But the hat is just the beginning. The kit also includes a 5-piece straw accessory set that takes your costume to the next level. The straw pieces are made of durable raffia and come with elastic cuffs for a perfect fit. You'll get 1 cuff for your neck, 2 for your wrists, and 2 for your legs just above the ankles. The elastic in these cuffs ensures they'll fit a wide range of body types, so no need to worry about sizing. Plus, each cuff is designed to stay in place thanks to a secure hook and loop closure on the neckpiece. It's easy to wear, comfortable, and definitely looks the part. This kit is not just for Halloween. It's versatile enough for cosplay events, fall festivals, theater plays, and even as a fun fall decoration. The materials are sturdy, meaning you can reuse this costume for several seasons without worry. And when you're done with it, the set is easy to store and maintain. Just spot clean the straw pieces, and you're good to go. Whether you're planning on attending a Halloween party, a harvest festival, or even a cosplay event, this Scarecrow kit has got you covered. It's the perfect way to stand out and have fun in a unique and creative way. If you're looking for an affordable yet high-quality costume that delivers, the Nicky Novelties Adult Deluxe Scarecrow Costume Kit is definitely the way to go. So there you have it, folks, the best Scarecrow kit on the market. Be sure to check it out if you're looking to turn heads this Halloween or at your next themed event. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another review. See you next time.